Warship, which pod is it for the laser designator?
This is Cypher. Radar array has been destroyed. Heading back to base. Out.
A firm. Rommel, to answer your question, I usually use the lightning pod.
Understood.
The Sniper XL also works.
Understood. I find the lightning pod, don't worry.
Also, good effect on target, Potu. There is still a bunker on the beach there if you want to hit that too, but you hit the radar, so good job.
I got it. I'm equipping my base with JDAMs. I'm gonna start laser designating the air.
Ray, this is Cypher. I'm currently near your location. Do you need any help? Over.
No, I think we're good.
Warchief, oh God, let me see this.
All forces be advised, Wraith is using a captured Madrid. Do not fire on the Madrid, please.
Understood. Friendly Madrid APC.
Oh, yes, okay. Copy. That's it.
I wonder if I can change its color. Once they actually get sold.
Thunderstruck to all ground forces. If you have a laser designator, something needs to be lased and blown up. I am ready to do that cast mission. Over. Warchief, did you catch that? Or did anyone else?
Affirmative. Laser designation ready.
Yeah.
Be advised, incoming recon report suggests the enemy is readying an attack helicopter for takeoff.
Where?
From their air station. Makes sense, right?
Understood. I have 2 missiles ready for them.
Roger that. Advise you strike it as soon as possible.
Take it off.
Cypher standing by at base. Out.
Look out, Potu!
I didn't get to use the animation.
It's fine. Air station is airfield.
Affirmative.
I'm heading there now. And if I'm not mistaken, the AA is down.
Roger, you took out the radar and the SAM site seems to be exhausted, so...
It's just machine guns now.
That is what our recon suggests.
Bye-bye, helicopter.
Oh, shit. Ooh. Missile shot trashed.
Firing again.
Splash.
I'm gonna start targeting the airfield with my JDAMs. I have no AA missiles though, so if I can start to lock on, I'm merely heading to the aircraft carrier. More, wait, I have 2 more.
Jump in that plane.
It's gone, motherfucker.
Not sure what
Be
happened.
advised, I spotted enemy Tomcat.
Oh, the helicopter. Nice. Go on, you can take off. Uh-oh.
What the fuck? Whoopsie?
Oh.
Rommel.
This is
Rommel.
attention all ground forces. I spotted a flying aircraft carrier.
Time to scramble. They spotted us.
What?
It is coming from the what was that fucking from the north or south? I don't know. Fucking, it's coming.
Roger, massive radar signature spotted on radar. Intel suggests this is called the Arsenal Bird, Mark .5.
Metal Gear.
Be advised, I can't lock on to it with my AA missile.
Let me do this. No? Fuck me? Okay. Trying to get behind me. Oh. Nah, we guns him. Yeehaw! Why is my gear down? Rocket ship. Where is he? Need the other target. Not that one either. Yeah. Where am I going? Oh shit, behind me. Over with this next shot. Oh shit, what? Oh. Oh, did we collide? Damn. Ah. Alright. Good show. Good dogfight, Rommel.
I think I had some sort of radar bogey here.
So, it might be occupied.
Did he take down the?
Yes. I'm gonna check it out. Hold on.
Alright, be safe.
He splashed. Ah. Took down my other jet. Well, that was the last of my jets. So, Rommel, you rule the skies. Congratulations. Well, all I got left for aircraft is this helicopter.
Task Force, are you in a vehicle?
I'm assuming you're talking about us. No, we're not in a vehicle.
This is Cypher. I'm seeing nothing on LZ Baldy. I'm going to Camp Rogaine now. Over.
Copy that. Although my guy says it might be clear. Task Force, if you look to your south, I think there's a vehicle up on the hill.
You know what? It really doesn't make sense that there's no guys here, so I'll just spawn one singular
Task
fire
Force,
team.
this is London. Just to let you know, we've moved into position and are prioritizing anti-air targets.
Copy that.
All forces, intel suggests all enemy fast
I'm going on
jets
also.
have been splashed.
Going on autonomous for a second, I've got, pancake.
Be advised, we have hostile infantry at Camp Rogaine. I'm gonna clear them out. Over.
Copy that.
Are you okay? Okay, you're not unconscious, that's all I care. Alright. Probably clean up some dead bodies. There's a lot of dead bodies. There we go.
Warchief, you there?
Hey, affirmative, this is War Chief.
So I'm taking off. I took my jet with AA missiles. I'm gonna engage that carrier.
Roger, it is believed that the carrier has run out of aerial forces to deploy, and it is currently turning away from the AO now.
Understood. I'm gonna hold it down.
Roger, be advised, you are advised to leave the carrier alone and support ground forces.
Okay, I'm gonna have to land that. Okay, I'm gonna. Rafe, this is Cyber Actual. One of our boys is using a T-41 tank. Just letting you know.
What's that?
This is Cyber Actual. One of our teams are using a T-41 tank. Just letting you know. Hey, Warchief, can I use my gold to buy something?
You guys said you stole a tank?
Yes, we stole a tank.
Copy that.
Have you already?
Warchief, can I use my gold
This
to
is
buy something?
Cypher. I have cleared out the hostile forces at Camp Rogaine, but I wouldn't be sure about buildings or what's inside of them. Over.
I'm sorry, Rommel, what did you say?
Big copy. Please wait. Can I use my gold to purchase something?
This is London to any air call sign. There's a hostile chopper in the air. It's blocked on us.
Understood. Please wait. I'm gonna have to change my loadout for air to ground as well.
I'm seeing hostile K-man in the air. Permission to engage.
Hey, affirmative.
Yeah.
Take that last bogey down.
Yeah, we see it too.
Oh, shit. Oh shit.
Yep.
It's down.
Someone hit it. Nice job. And the base.
Bogey splashed.
All call signs, this is London. We're going back to rearm.
Yeehaw. On. Nobody looking at him. What's in the face? Better.
War Chief, this is for any jobs for me. Over.
I got nothing.
Negative. At this time, just look around the airfield, see what you can shoot at if need be.
Roger that. Requesting rearm and
Alright,
carry.
task force,
Over.
we're coming up the valley. Please don't shoot the Madrid.
Affirm. There is a rearm box next to the carrier's command section.
Roger that.
Hey, just to let you know, Ray, and no, too, we're also coming in for rearm.
Affirm. Friendly Madrid and T14.
Don't worry, we got you, buddy.
Alright, we're gonna move in, see if you left anything alive for us to steal that might be heavier.
We're the friendly, we're the friendly tank up on the hill. We just blew up all the vehicles.
Yeah, I see ya.
What's up? Oh yeah, take that building down. Just got bad guys in it.
Okay, Sunstruck's off the runway. I'm heading over to provide CAS and air superiority.
Hey, affirmative, Thunderstruck.
Uh, 223, are you there? Copy. If you need if you're unsure to enter a place, you need something blown up, laze it, and I will lock onto it and blow it up immediately. Big copy.
Where exactly can I find the rearm box or whatever?
It's the big refuel thing. It also has rearm capability.
Huh.
Scroll wheel.
Use ACE, I believe.
I'm only getting refuel here.
Use ACE.
War Chief, this is... War Chief,
Oh,
War
right,
Chief, this
I
is
gotta
cyber
lock the
action. What
chopper
exactly do
near
you
it,
have to do
right?
to capture the areas?
Roger, you just have to eliminate all enemies in the area, and then you can move out.
Big copy. Brought, chill out. Whoever's driving, chill out. We have to basically kill all enemies in the area. I see an enemy tank on the road. Is that enemy or is that one of your tanks? That's friendly. That's friendly. That's cyber action. That's 223. What's the name of the tank? It's a T41 with a CSAT skin on it. So T41. I will not engage T41.
Correction,
really
it's
hope you're
T14, not 4.
What, T14?
Roger, T14 Armada is coming. There is an enemy T100 Black Eagle, by the way.
I'm gonna search for it.
T14's been scrapped by the T100.
Yeah, don't worry, we're good. We're recovering. Okay, I found the Black Eagle and took it out.
T100 destroyed. Damn. Oh no, get Evan out of the burning wreckage. Badass shot though, I saw a fucking missile in the Triple A.
If I took down a UGV SAP, something, killer drone.
Hell yeah. Good job.
This is from Oscar Mike. You can do some ground pounding. Over.
Understood. Just laser.
What you shooting at? Drive in the water, you dingus.
Be advised, enemy has some anti-air.
No, you know what? Whatever. No.
Forces, we're back in our Madrid. Please don't shoot us. We're heading towards Charlie.
We know. Big copy.
By the way, Armada, I found a vehicle that looks to be anti-air near the shoreline at the airfield. See if you can get engaged and take it out.
Right, this is Cypher. I'm gonna do some CAS on objective Charlie. Do you copy? Over.
Okay, which one? Delta, Echo, Foxtrot, Charlie. There it is.
Warchief,
This is War Chief.
I'll tell the pod to stay in one location so I can lock onto that.
Say again.
I'll tell the pod to lock on to a certain location and it stays on it.
You press Control T with a lightning or sniper pod.
So thank you.
Taking fire.
Shit. This guy's just running up on him. Oh shit, look out! Trying to take out the turret. There goes one. That was a little derpy, but alright.
London, whoever's in the helicopter, we're gonna move into the Charlie.
Roger that.
Back on me.